Season 110 of Middle Tennessee football begins a new era of Middle Tennessee football tonight. Toe meets leather and a new era of Blue Raider football is underway.